Hey guys, today we're going to be making a real fruit smoothie. We're going to be using strawberry, bananas, and apple, and some Greek yogurt with some milk. So let's get started. First we're going to put in the liquids. We got 1.5 cups of milk. This is just regular milk, whole milk. Okay, we're going to put in the liquids first. We're going to put in the Greek yogurt. This is a 1/4 cup. Okay. Kind of thick. Here we go. Now we're gonna add strawberries. This is about 10 frozen strawberries. Okay. And that's what's gonna make this smoothie kind of cold, you know. The bananas also are frozen. This is 1.5 bananas sliced. Go. And this is half a small apple. Okay. And then we're gonna put this lid on. Bam. And we're gonna put smoothie. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Alright guys, it's done. Let's try it. Bam. Check that out. Real fruit smoothie. Easy. Ready to go in about 2 minutes. Que jamba juice ni que nada. Not my favorite. I think I need some more sugar. I need sugar. I like sugar. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back and add some sugar. Okay, so I got a couple packets of this 0-calorie sweetener because I'm all about the healthy stuff, right? So 2 packets, and let's mix it up again because it was not sweet enough for me. So let's try it again. And a smoothie. Let's go. Let me rinse this out. Alright guys, so this thing is done. Done for round 2. Let's try it now. This thing up. Here we go. Smoothie time. Let's give it a go. Much better, guys. Definitely put in those 2 packets of sweetener, because yeah, the first time for my taste it was like but this is really good with the 2 packets of sweetener. And anyways, thanks. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, only the strong subscribe.